G'day scientists! Today I'm reviewing the KiwiCo Tinkercrate walking robot kit. It cost me $26 from KiwiCo, and that's because I have a subscription for 6 months. If you buy one at a time, the price can be quite a bit higher. I actually quite like this kit, so I recommend a subscription. Right, let's open it up and take a look to see what's inside. First of all, as in all the kits, we have the big blueprint paper that tells us how to assemble the robot. Next, we've got the Tinkerzine magazine. I always love these books. They're always very detailed. They tell you about technology and robots. Also, an awesome part here about Mars and robots playing a big part in space exploration. And finally, the Tinker Library, one of my favorite parts of the KiwiCo kit. If you find yourself interested in this after you've assembled it, you can go to other places on the internet, download other apps, and continue to learn about robots. Inside the kit, we've got some plastic parts, the electronics for the kits, some wooden parts. Most of the KiwiCo kits use recyclable materials, very few plastic parts, some cardboard and foam. This kit even comes with a battery. That's it for the box. So let's get started and build the kit. Right, for this part we need the body piece. Step one is to punch out the holes, but you can see already that these are already punched out. Run the wires through the large hole. Then we're taking 4 stickers and placing them where it says sticky foam pad. Sticky foam, sticky foam, sticky foam, sticky foam. This and folding it here. Then we're taking this and folding it again. Then we're taking this, and this now folds over the top like that. And the final step is to fold this back over like that. Next we're taking the 2 clear stickers and wrap them around the folded body piece. Like that, and then one around the top, like so. We're taking the dowel rod and pushing 2 gears into each side of the dowel. In this part of the build, we're adding the legs onto the robot. We add the 2 camshafts onto either side of the motor, and that's going to drive the legs up, down, up, down. Then we're adding the battery into the battery pack and attaching it onto the back of the robot so that it's accessible and has the on-off switch at the top. The battery pack attacks with more of these foam stickers. As with all the KiwiCo kits, everything is super clear and everything you need is included in the pack. Finally, we take the battery leads and attach them to the positive and the negative parts of the motor, and that is all of the electronics finished. It's really very simple. The arms are attached together with these, I don't know what you call them. We used to get them all the time in stationery back in the olden days. Treasury tags or pivot points or something that I can't remember. But they're the things that are going to provide the joints to the arms. And the arms will move as the legs move. You'll see how it all works when you put it together. Now we're adding the legs onto the robot. The robot has wooden legs, and then we're taking these red plastic parts to use as feet. And these will go left, right, and the feet will move over the top of each other, like we've seen in some of the other robot kits we built previously. If you can remember what these crazy old bits of stationery are called, please let me know in the comments. It's totally slipped my mind. The final part of this kit is to add the arms and the legs with more of the foam cogs, and that just holds everything in place. All of the mechanism is now built, and we're on to the decoration. And again, this is the beautiful part about the KiwiCo kit. It's very simple. Take this cardboard cutout of the robot face and stick it onto the front. The kit's actually built now. It didn't take very long at all. I think this kit took about 10 minutes, 15 minutes in total to build. It's super quick and also very simple. So I think would definitely suit the younger scientist, age 6+. Let's power it up and see what happens. Okay, it's time to turn this robot on and find out what it's like. It's actually pretty cool. The sound it makes is awesome. It reminds me of a really old sedentary robot. Let's put it going forwards. As it's moving, the arms are going backwards and forwards like that. It is super cute. This robot was pretty cool. It was on the simpler side and it's quite fast to build, but would definitely suit a younger scientist. Is it worth the money? I guess you'll find out in a tick. I'm going to give the KiwiCo Tinkercrate walking robot 2 stars for fun, 2 stars for price, And 2 stars for learning. Buy or bye-bye. It's a buy. It was on the simpler side. If it had cost more than $26, if I didn't have a coupon for it, I probably wouldn't be saying buy, but it was okay. If you liked this and want to build a more complicated robot, I really suggest you check out this video from a few weeks ago where I built a 5-in-1 mechanical coding robot. Check it out.